Hello once again everybody, and this is Dante Salamante on EasyTagalog.com, and today we're going to learn about subject and predicate. In Tagalog, you only need two things, two small words, ang, which is equals to the English the, and is, or sorry, I, which is equals to the English is. Okay, so those are the two things you need. So you just put the subject besides ang and the predicate besides I. An example is ang aso ay mataba. Aso is dog, mataba is fat. So that's the adjective, mataba. Ang aso ay mataba. The dog is fat. Ang aso ay mataba. The ang aso, dog, is ay mataba, fat. So you're not going to be confused here because everything is in place in English and Tagalog. So the and the subject is and the predicate. It's very easy. Another example is ang pusa. You can use mataba also. Ang pusa ay mataba. Pusa is cat. Ang pusa ay mataba. So it's gonna rhyme in English. The cat is fat. The cat is fat. That's a rhyme. And you can change it the opposite way. Payat is thin. Payat. Payat is thin. Ang pusa ay payat. Ang pusa ay payat. Another example is, let's go on people. Okay. Ang babae ay maganda. Ang babae ay maganda. So babae is girl and maganda is pretty or beautiful. So babae is girl or woman. It's either woman or girl, it's just the same, babae. Maganda is either pretty or beautiful, and everything, every English word about beauty is only maganda in Tagalog. Just one word. Okay, so ang babae ay maganda. The girl is pretty. The girl is pretty. Let's change another. Ang lalaki ay masipag. Ang lalaki ay masipag. The man ay masipag. The man or a boy ay masipag. Okay. So if you pertain to a girl or a boy, you add the word batang. But that's another lesson. So let's just do an easy part or simplify. Ang lalaki ay masipag. The lalaki is male and masipag is industrious. So ang lalaki ay masipag. So that's our lesson for today about subject and predicate. Now if you want to learn more words, just email me for other words. I haven't had I have a dictionary besides me, and I can't write all the words on computer. So just email me on easytagalog.com and I'll help you. And thanks for watching the video.